YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies I have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We got Prime Day just around the corner, but they have Prime Day sales going on now. So you might want to take advantage of that before this item sells out. And let's see what's inside. Ooh. Alright. What is this? Ooh. N8 Pro Nightlight. This is N8 Pro 2000 mAh. Fast charging USB. 104 LED lamp bead. Whoa. Look at that. HomeList. Bada boom, made in China. Shout out to China. Hopefully you guys are doing good. And how do I open this? There we go. That was easy. Easy peasy. There we go. We got here the manual, but it should be easy. Got some kind of stickies. You can stick it on a wall, maybe. Bathroom, child's room, playroom, game room. Yeah, these are little stickies. Oh yeah, it's sticky. Put that right to the side, right there. Ooh. You get a nice little remote. That's pretty cool. Red, green, blue. And pull the tab. Good to go. Got stuff here. That is done. Here we go. So you get the USB. Take this twist tie off. And then, oh, this is cool. Boom. Back here. Little sensor. Bottom. Power. Got a timer. Up to 120 seconds. 20, 60, 120. And then this is probably magnetic. This little guy. So you put the sticky on the back. And then this should, oh yeah. Okay. It's always good to have extra lighting around. Especially if you're doing videos or whatever, you know. Pretty much. Hopefully it's charged. I don't think I need to charge it. Whoa. It's like the Iron Man thing. Got the lights right there. 20 seconds. That's bright. I'll shut off the light in a second. But definitely. Here's the green. I don't know if you guys could tell. That's a nice warm light. Yeah, then down here is timers. 15, 30, 60. You gotta adjust it all the way down, all the way up. Okay, let me turn the lights off. Turn them all off. And then we'll be done. Short video, but really cool. Pro nightlight. Definitely a lot different from when I was a kid growing up. Oops. See it going. See, kind of blue right around the white area. Bam. So, I mean, I think that's about it. I mean, that's all I really need to cover with this. Want to turn the lights back on. At least that one. But yeah, definitely super lightweight. Plug the USB cord in there to charge it. If you have one right by your bedstand, probably fit like your phone. Or you could use another adapter. You'll be good to go. Same thing, bottom here. Turn it off. Turn it on. Cycle. Blue. That's bright though. And then timers, just hit the switch all the way up to 120. And like I said, this comes out. Pop that back in. You can have it any which way you want. Maybe doing makeup, doing crossword puzzles, jigsaw puzzles, you name it. This is a nice little thing to have. Or read a book you could use. Maybe something like hanging like that. But definitely a nice one. Super lightweight, I like it. Definitely a nice little device to have, or a nightlight to have. And check them out. I'll leave my affiliate link down below. Click on that, see what other goodies I have to offer besides this one. Until then, you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you soon. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime Day sales going on now. And you'll have it in no time. Alright, YouTubers. See ya.